तो दोस्तों हमने सिंपल सा एक किया. नाउ वी विल मेक अनदर क्वेश्चन लाइक प्रिंट नंबर्स फ्रॉम 1 to n and n will be given by user. So मैं सिंपल सा जो हमने ऊपर लिखा उसी को कॉपी कर रहा हूँ. Okay, I simply copied it, and then before that you have to take number input from the user. So it will be n equals to int, and input is a function which will be like taking a number from the input from the user, and then it will be you need to convert it into int because input function returns the value as a string, and then you have to convert it into int. Now you have to like print the number. So here it will be, now remember this one, what is my stoppage point? Stoppage point is n, so you have to include n. So I must write here n plus 1 and remove this step size because by default the step size is 1. So let's run this one, and this will be the previous one. And now if I give, suppose if I give 9 here, it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and let's do one more. I simply copied it, and one more point is the number from n to 1. Yeah, that will be a good one. So it will be like n to 1. So in that case your starting point will be n plus 1. Obviously it's n, sorry. Okay, it will be n, and then what will be your stoppage point? You have to include 1, so it will be go up to 0, and the step is minus 1. Let's do this one. So here first I will give as a 6, so it will be 1 to 6, and then I will give 6 again. It will be 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, thank you.